Greetings to all. My name is Marko Vanne and I am a 47-year-old born and raised here in Tampere. Nowadays, my position is a Project Execution Manager Finland. In short, I am responsible for project activities in Finland, which includes a lot of different areas, such as site safety, financial monitoring, schedule monitoring, site staffing, warehouse operation, investments, and so on. I am lucky to have a very professional team to take care of all these things. This allows me to follow from the background and ensure that everything is going well. One of the most important tasks of the site management and project management is to ensure that installers can carry out their work on site safely and efficiently without external obstacles. There have been a few memorable challenges. One has been when the COVID pandemic forces countries to close the borders at a very short notice, and we had to organize flights for all the supervisors in only one weekend. It was stressful because we were working with the colleagues that are located in different countries. But in the end, everything went well. These were special cases, and normally solving problems on construction sites is a little easier. Of course, the basics remain the same in the refractory business, but it can be said that each construction site is its own project and there are many different challenges. Different customers and their operating models, different installation sites and materials, different installation methods, all these add their own spice. You can work in January in Tornio, Finland, or in the summer at the mercy of typhoons in Hong Kong. Every day brings new challenges and the days can be very different. The Calderys Academy for Supervisors training gives the best possible basis for moving to real work as a supervisor. Theoretical training is held by the best professionals in the field at the different locations in Europe, combined with the practical learning with the current supervisors on the construction sites. This combination makes strong foundations for independent work in the future. In addition, we have very experienced staff at the office and at the installation site, so support is guaranteed even after training. The best thing is good colleagues and varied work. You can be in familiar destinations, but there are always new customers, colleagues, cities and countries that keep your mind fresh. This job can never be learned perfectly. Even after more than 20 years, new things come across regularly. It's never boring to be in Calderys.